You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. Yes, you can count on me. Count on is a phrasal verb, and count on someone means to rely on someone or to depend on someone. We often say you can rely on me. Instead of it, we have an option now to say you can count on me. You can count on me. Or you're saying someone not to rely on someone, you can say don't count on him. Don't count on him. Or you're just assuring your friends that they can rely on you in a crisis. You can tell it this way: you can count on me in a crisis. You can count on me in a crisis. Or there's someone who always makes you happy and you can rely on him. You can say, I can always count on you to cheer me up. I can always count on you to cheer me up. So it's very simple. Count on someone means to rely on someone or to depend on someone. My dear viewers, if you want to improve your English skills, you can definitely count on us. We have different courses: spoken English and pronunciation, grammar and writing, IELTS preparation, and for the kids we have English for juniors. For your information, we are going to start a weekend batch of spoken English and pronunciation. Those who are busy during the weekdays, this could be the perfect choice for you. So, see you soon.